Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change date and time on LENOVO V15. First, you have to right-click the date time icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, then select Adjust Date and Time option. And then in order to set time manually, you just have to switch the toggle to the left next to Set Time Automatically option. So like this, and then click Change next to Set Date and Time Manually. Now to set date and time manually, you have to select the correct option on this list and click OK. And in the same way you can change the time. And click Change. And after that the changes will be applied. However, I highly recommend using the correct date and time values on your device, since using incorrect values makes many online services like for example Google unavailable for you, since they require dates and time to be correct for your time zone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.